Got all design on me, that's on me, baby. Yeah, that's on me, baby. Yeah, that's on me, baby. Yeah, these niggas be lying on me, that's on me.
What is up, YouTube? It is your girl Rae, and I'm back once again with another video. Starting 2019, great again. I know I have been gone. I am so sorry, but I just been doing a lot. Like, as you see, this is not the normal bathroom that I be in. This is not the normal hallway. Usually if I'm in the bathroom, you know, the hallway will be to this side. That's because I have my own apartment. And maybe I'll post a video before this, but if not, then I'll post a video after this of me. I haven't really moved in yet, but I have, like, I set up the bathroom and stuff a little bit. Like the bathroom and the toilet and stuff. Yeah, I don't want to see that. But, yeah. So, today we're going to be doing an unboxing haul from Fashion Nova. I finally got it. But it came quick because I'm surprised because the last time I ordered from Fashion Nova, it came like a week or two later. And I was mad because it kept saying deliver. And I was like, where's my stuff? Where's my stuff? You know what I'm saying? So, I got a few things today. And first, we're going to be unboxing it. And in my next video that I'm going to be putting down below, click that and you're going to see me putting it on and trying it out for you guys. So, let's get it. Okay, you guys, so I know the light is pretty bad in here. Hopefully, I'll get it changed soon. But this is the box that it came in. You know. Oh, whatever. It's a pretty big box. It's a pretty decent sized box. ETL, you know, tracking number, stuff like that. So let's get into it. Also, follow my social medias. My Snapchat is @Rae_beauty. My Instagram is _officialrae_. And I know I've been gone, you guys. I'm really, really sorry. But I just been busy, like, getting this apartment together and just getting my life together, period. You get what I'm saying? Like, 2019, I had to start it with a bang. Get an apartment. Live on my own. Oh my god, this is my first video, you guys, so I'm very excited. I hope all this stuff, oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. It just tells the description of what I bought. You know, all the things. Damn. It looked like a lot, but it's not that much. Okay. So this is an ankle bracelet. I thought it was cute. It was like $2 or $3. You'll see why I bought that in a minute. But this is the ankle bracelet. So let me see. Let me take it out. And I am gonna be, you know, putting this stuff on. Yeah, it's cute. Yes. My gosh, I'm excited. Okay, so what is this? I think this is just like a regular top. Let's see. Oh my gosh. The way they wrap this stuff. It's like a regular top. You see? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get it from Fashion Nova, you guys. Fashion Nova is having a sale, 80% off. Oh my gosh. I think this is a dress. I really do hope this fits. Cause you know, in Fashion Nova, their sizes are like, you know, I'm a curvy girl, and curvy people we have. Did they send me 2 of these? I think they sent me 2 of these on accident. What? Because I know I didn't order 2. So let's see which. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. This shit gonna be looking wavy. Hold on. Hold up. And they sent me 10. But why they sent me 2 though? But I'm not gonna open that one since they sent me 2. What? What the this is like more stuff than I ordered. Like, this looks like more. I did not order all of this. Lucky me, right? But I wish they would have sent me something that I don't have to wear double time. This is a hand, like a hand accessory. That's gonna be cute too. They sent me another foot one, another foot accessory. What? Why did they double it? I don't understand. Like, seriously. Like, for real. I know I didn't pay for more than one. I know that because I always double check. Okay. And this is a jumpsuit, you guys. It's like a little jumpsuit. Not a jumpsuit. It's a bodysuit. And you can like put it under like leggings and stuff like that. It looks like a swimsuit, but it's really not. Candy slip dress. See, I done forgot what I damn ordered. This shit looks small. Oh hell no. That shit not gonna fit. And this is supposed to be a large. But you never know until you try it on, so it might. Shit. Cause I got a big butt. Oh yeah, this is what I was waiting on. This is my finesse dress, cause I be finessing these niggas. I'm just playing. Hey. Am I going too fast? Nah. It is hot as a bitch in here. I cuss too much. Oh my gosh! That's gonna look so cute with my heels. I can't wait to do the next video where I can actually try on this stuff for you guys. Let me sit up. Where I can actually try on this stuff for you guys. These are some jeans. Please let these motherfuckers, oh god. Fashion over in jeans. It's like, for the curvy people, you gotta really get down to the business with sizes. For real, for real. But these look like, these look like they would fit. Cause I'm a little fat, yes. So when we try these things on, oh yeah. And of course, I love me some Fashion Nova accessories. So I had to get me a little pack. A little cute little Fashion Nova pack. That says Fashion Nova. Yes. I bought some more jeans. These are cute. Yes, and they got the cut in the front. Ooh, I hope these things can fit. And they're stretchy. Yes. One more thing, you guys. One more thing. Yeah! I love shoes like these. Oh my gosh. Fashion Nova, you done did this girl right. Okay, because I can't wait to do this next video. I'm ready to end this one so I can try all this. This is the unboxing video. Because I promise you I'm going to bust these things on. Like, I love heels. I love clothes. Like, ugh. So, let me put all this stuff together so y'all can see it. Guys, as you see, this is the bodysuit. And you can wear it under like jeans and stuff and like leggings. This is the shirt. These are the pants that is cut. Of course, the bag, my accessories. These are the other accessories, my other jeans, my finesse dress. Yes, dripping. Okay, this is is this a regular black dress? And of course, the mustard dress They gave me 2. But yeah. So, Official Rae Gang, I hope that you enjoyed my boxing video. That was my first ever unboxing videos, and hopefully I will continue doing more. I am going to continue doing more because that was actually fun. Like, I had never done anything like that. Show people what I buy, show people what I wear. Right now, I'm just wearing a Rue 21 shirt. That Nickelodeon, the girl popping. I'm just playing. But watch out and click the link for my next video because it's coming soon. If it's not up there, then it'll be up there soon. But always stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, thank you guys. And please subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe. And tell me what you want to see next. Also, click that push notification button. Tell your girl what's up. Tell her what to do. What videos you want to see. What are you interested? I want to know because I want to continue making videos for you guys. So, until next time. Bye-bye. You guys be blessed.